this through two or three with 2 or 3 turns. So after that, close the caps. Turn it at 45 degrees and just pull, and after that your first piece will be out. Then fill the corner and with few twists and turns it will be fully broken. Now, so first you take all the pieces aside, and then first take the red and blue piece, edge piece. Edge pieces look like this and corner pieces look like this. So take the red and blue edge piece, then flip the flute like this and take the red and white piece. Tilt it a little bit and we are done. And then we have to put the white and blue edge piece. It will take a little more. So we have our corner block ready. Now let us take the blue and the yellow, orange, sorry, the edge piece. So now let's take it and put it like this. Then take the red, blue and yellow corner piece and put it like how we did for the other corner piece. You may have to twist it if needed. Then take the red and yellow piece. And we have a 2 by 2 by 3 block ready. So now we have to take the blue and white piece. Wait, no, not that. It's orange and white. Then you can take the white, blue and orange corner piece. Now take the blue and orange piece. And then take the blue, orange and yellow corner piece. And put it like we did all other corner pieces, and then take the orange and yellow piece and put it like this. And we have our first 2 layers complete. So then you can take the green and orange edge piece, turn it at 4, turn tin and yellow. Now take the other next one, which is the corner piece, which is red, yellow and green. And now we have the red and green piece, an edge piece. And now if you can remember, we to take the cube apart, we turned the first layer at 45 degrees and then took an edge piece out, right? So here we'll do the same opposite. Turn it at 45 degrees, put the corner pieces, and now just pull it out like this and take the last piece and push it in, and you are ready. So that was the end of the video, friends. So thank you. Have a nice